Hi, my name is Xavier and I'm a student here at Cybersecurity and Computer Technology. Today I'll be showing you some things that we do on a day-to-day basis. Over here we have some students securing data and setting up networks. Over here we have a student using one of two virtualized labs to practice doing things.
So for our test outs, we have a program that we can work on and practice our skills before we work on the actual hardware. And we gain certifications at the end of the unit. So it helps us better move into our career after we graduate from the program.
And over here on my left,
So we are building essentially a network virtualized before we go and build the actual real thing. So we are connected to one another.
and on my right here, we have Peyton.
So I'm basically working with a program called steganography, where you hide a image in or not an image, you hide a message in an image, and you can send it to someone and they can extract the message from the image using the same application. And it's just a nice and secure way to transfer messages to people.
Right, and over here we have Aiden Snyder working on virtual machines.
Yes. So basically, what it is, you can run Windows 10 inside of Windows 10 when we do labs. So that way, if we make a mistake in the lab and it ruins the computer, it will ruin the virtual machine and not our actual computer. So we can just roll back to the original version.
So basically what I'm going to talk about is our network test storage, where it's basically just a drive that we all have access to on these computers, where we can store things we need, like Windows 10 installations or computer drivers, or really anything we're working on that we need. That's pretty much what it is.
And over here we have Kingsley using the program called Wireshark.
This program is used to capture network data, data based on what protocols happen, say when you look up a URL or look up a certain website. So say I were to type in here, I don't know, Cisco.com, I could go to Wireshark and see any data that came from just typing that into a search engine. I could look for specific protocols like DNS or ARP or whatever else, and I can see where the protocol started, where their request was sent or answer was sent. And if I check my own IP address, I can see where I'm contacting and who's contacting me. And that's how this program kind of allows you to see how things go on in the network when you start accessing it.
We're here with Phoenix now, and he's working on a computer.
Currently, I'm trying to make sure that no electrostatic discharge or ESD happens, which is why I'm wearing the strap, which protects me and the components, which only take about 30 volts of electricity to destroy, which can rebuy the parts, can be up to $300 or more.
Thank you for visiting our cybersecurity and computer technology classroom.